Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to curl in Photoshop. Let's get started. See this? I already inserted two images. Okay. Then click the rectangle tool and use fill, gradient fill, use fill, gradient on or 3 as you wish. I use click on. Then click settings up black and down white. Okay. Okay. Then hold Ctrl, select this image, right click, convert to smart object. Press Ctrl T, warp or right click, use warp tool. Okay. Then click the corner. Okay. See this. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.